Hey guys, what's up? Real quick, I just want to touch on a few topics: dating or marrying a law enforcement professional. Um, a lot of times I hear that it's from women that it's really hard to date a law enforcement officer, or it's really hard being married to a law enforcement officer. In fact, some of them don't know what's wrong with their relationship. They say he's too mean, they say he's too aggressive, but a lot of times, it's being misunderstood. Here's why. I say this because when you date a law enforcement officer, or you're married to a law enforcement officer, you're not dating or married to a law enforcement officer. You're thinking that you're dating a guy who has a job as a police officer, a law enforcement professional, but that's not the case. A law enforcement officer is a lifestyle. It's a total demeanor. It is who we are. You can spot a cop from a mile away by the way we stand, by the way, we sit with our backs towards the wall so we can face the door, by the way we look at people, by the way we analyze things, by the way we talk. So you can actually spot a police officer. You can tell that it's a demeanor. That's why when you ask, hey, when you come home, is it possible you can turn it off? It's hard to turn off your lifestyle, because this is what you do every day. Like, you need this to survive in this career as a law enforcement officer. You need to have your head on a swivel. You need to be aware of your surroundings at all time. But when you get home, fellas, this is for you. When you get home, you don't have to be Macho Man Randy Savage. Like, you don't, and I'm showing my age there, but you don't have to be so tough when you get home. You have to find a way to tone it down just a little and treat your significant other with respect. And significant others, don't treat it like you're married to a guy who has a job as a police officer and he could turn it on and off. A lot of times he can't. So try to talk to him in a way where you can relate to him. And fellas, try to talk to her in a way that you can relate to her. She might have had the kids all day. She's stressed at work because her coworker's getting on her nerves. She just did 12 hours. She comes home and she has to cook for you, clean for you, but you're not home yet. So she's doing all this waiting for you to get home. She wants her husband. She wants her boyfriend. Here comes the husband, and the boyfriend comes through the door after responding to 3 domestics, 4 gun cases, let's say 2 car chases, and like 18 arrests. That's a lot, yes, but a lot of times it's like that. So we have really serious cases. We come home and we have the alpha male attitude because, we have the alpha male attitude because we've been around alpha males all day and doing alpha male things. So we come home, hey babe, where's dinner? Oh, how was your day? We don't really want to talk about our day because we just had a stressful day. So we divert the question to ask, how was your day? You don't want to talk about your day either because you had a stressful day. So now we have 2 people in the house who is not talking about their day, who's not really saying anything. And it's all because of what we do. In this profession, it is a total lifestyle. And I said it was going to be quick. It's going on for a minute, so I'm about to wrap it up shortly. It's a total lifestyle. So in order to do that, don't treat us as if we're normal males that just have a job as a police officer. It's a total demeanor. It is who we are. So when you marry us or you're dating us, you're dating this demeanor. You're dating this lifestyle. You're dating this attitude. You're marrying this. So this is, something that's going to have to be discussed when it comes down to how we treat each other. And males, we're going to have to turn it down a little bit. We're going to have to turn it down. When you enter the door to your home, to your humble abode, where your significant other is, where your wife is, try not to bring police into the house unless there's a situation where it needs police. Every situation doesn't need police. They need whoever you are. They need that. They don't need police. They just need whoever you are to them. If they're looking for their husband, give them their husband. Don't give them officer husband. They don't want that. They want their husband. And when we ask for our wives to have some leniency towards us, give us 5 or 10 minutes. Let us wind down. Let us go watch the game. Let us go take a shower and get the work day off of us so that by the time we come back downstairs, We have no recollection of what was going on at work. We're fully off of work. Not just when we come through the door, we get bombarded with lots of things. We're fully off of work. So that way, the conversation can go a lot better.